$20 per night. Here we are at Hidden Lakes Campground. Coming in, Site 9. It's on the left. Elevation here is almost 8,900 feet. Camping fees are $20 per night. Site 8. It's wide, flat, long.
And shaded. And then we have number 1 facing the water, the lake.
No cell service with AT&T.
No cell service for Verizon.
I like 2.
Site number 2. Wow.
That's nice.
A little bit of a slope.
Yeah, down to the picnic table. It's nice. 7 looks to be a pull-through site. I don't see a picnic table. Oh, it's back behind the tree in the shade. Yeah.
Yep, this one's shaded. Oh, wow. Oh, this one's nice too. Site number 3.
Getting lower down towards the water here. There's a site on my side here that was number 6. More of just a pull off. We'll see that when we come back out.
Dumpsters in the bathrooms.
Yep, there's a hand water pump.
They even has some wood cut for you.
That's a nice view. All right, I don't see a number on this campsite.
I don't either.
I think we're up to 4. I bet that's 4.
Well, I think it was back there. We missed it.
Yeah, that was 4 because this is 5.
Site 5. Not really a whole lot of shade in the afternoon.
Really nice campground. So if you missed our last video, check out the video of Teal Lake Campground. We are straight south of that here at Hidden Lakes. So
Site 6 is just a pull off here.
we're on the east side of Buffalo Pass from Steamboat Springs. Actually came over Rabbit Ears Pass and north on the highway, and then drove in from the east to access these campgrounds up here. Let's go take a walk in 3 and 4, and we're gonna get the drone up in the air too. There's the rabbit ears above the tree. Imagine opening your tent to this view every morning. Seven.
Site 8. I seen a little chipmunk. And that was site number 9. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day. Remember, Smokey Bear says to drown out all of your campfires.